A simple tool, yet a revolutionary invention. The mercury thermometer has made a profound impact on the world. But do you know its intriguing origin story? Let's take a step back in time to the 17th century, to the era of Galileo Galilei, a man whose name is synonymous with scientific innovation. Galileo, while not the sole inventor, was instrumental in the development of the mercury thermometer. Galileo's fascination with the natural world drove him to question, to experiment. He observed the expansion and contraction of air and liquids with temperature changes and pondered, could this principle be used to measure temperature? The initial challenges were many. How to create a scale? How to ensure accuracy? Yet Galileo persevered. Through his tenacity and brilliance, he devised a rudimentary device that would evolve into the modern mercury thermometer. So, the mercury thermometer, a tool we often take for granted, had humble beginnings rooted in the curiosity and ingenuity of a renowned scientist. The mercury thermometer didn't just measure temperature, it changed the course of history. These words echo the profound impact this seemingly simple device has had on the world. In the realm of medicine, the mercury thermometer played a pivotal role. Before its invention, diagnosing illnesses was a speculative process, largely reliant on visible symptoms and personal accounts of discomfort. However, with the advent of the mercury thermometer, physicians could for the first time accurately measure a patient's body temperature, providing a tangible, objective indicator of health. This leap in diagnostic precision revolutionized medicine, enabling the detection and treatment of fever-related illnesses like never before. Moving on to meteorology, the mercury thermometer also made significant waves. Prior to its existence, weather forecasting was a rather unpredictable art, heavily dependent on observational cues and folklore. But the mercury thermometer changed all that. It brought about a new era of scientific weather prediction, offering an accurate measure of atmospheric temperature. This advancement not only improved daily weather forecasts, but also facilitated the study of long-term climate patterns, a topic that remains crucial in our modern dialogues about climate change. In industry, the impact of the mercury thermometer was no less significant. It became an essential tool in countless manufacturing processes, from steel production to food safety. It allowed for precise control of temperature, a factor critical to product consistency and quality. This not only improved the reliability of goods, but also enhanced productivity and efficiency across numerous sectors. Significant breakthroughs were enabled by this invention. From the discovery of the relationship between body temperature and disease, to the understanding of global warming, to the refinement of industrial processes, the mercury thermometer has been a catalyst for progress. The mercury thermometer, once a simple scientific curiosity, soon became an indispensable tool in countless fields, shaping our world in ways we could never have imagined. This was not just a device for measuring heat or cold, it was a game changer, a tool that transformed the way we understand and interact with the world around us. The mercury thermometer's legacy is far from over, even in today's digital age. Despite the rapid advancement of technology and the introduction of digital thermometers, this 17th century invention still holds relevance. You see, the mercury thermometer's precision and durability make it a reliable tool in various scientific experiments and industrial applications. Its ability to measure a wide range of temperatures from the freezing point of water to the boiling point provides an unmatched level of versatility. In the medical field, while digital thermometers have largely replaced their mercury counterparts, there are still places around the globe where mercury thermometers are used, primarily due to their cost-effectiveness and long lifespan. Even in our homes, many of us might find a mercury thermometer tucked away in a medicine cabinet, a silent observer to the passage of time and the march of progress. So, the mercury thermometer continues to hold its ground, a testament to the lasting impact of a truly groundbreaking invention. The mercury thermometer, a simple tool with a complex history and an enduring legacy. Born out of the inventive mind of Galileo Galilei in the 17th century, this ingenious device revolutionized our understanding of the world around us. By enabling accurate temperature measurement, it opened the door to countless scientific discoveries and technological advancements. It's a game changer, a tool that forever altered the course of human history. From the depths of the ocean To the far reaches of space, the mercury thermometer has been our guide, our constant companion in our quest for knowledge. Today, although we have moved on to more advanced technologies, the mercury thermometer's influence remains. Its legacy is etched in every weather forecast, every scientific experiment, and every medical checkup. So next time you glance at a thermometer, remember, you're not just looking at a temperature reading, you're witnessing a piece of history that continues to shape our world.